Hi there. Let's play through Marvin Gaye's arrangement of I Heard It Through the Grapevine. If you need to check out the tutorial, review any of the chord progressions or the strum patterns, be sure to do that. I'm just here to play it through with you here. Starting on that A minor chord, getting the groove on the calypso strum. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, here we go. Verse 1. I bet you're wondering how I knew about your plans to make me blue with some other guy you knew before. Between the two of us guys, you know I love you more. It took me by surprise, I must say, when I found it out yesterday. Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine, and I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, heard it through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be my baby. Yeah, verse 2. I know a man ain't supposed to cry, but these tears I can't hold inside. Losing you would end my life, you see, because you mean that much to me. You could have told me yourself that you love someone else. Instead, I heard it through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be mine. Yeah, I heard it through the grapevine, and I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, heard it through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be my baby. Here's verse 3. People say believe half of what you see, some and none of what you hear. But I can't help but be confused. If it's true, please tell me, dear. Do you plan to let me go? Where's the other guy you knew before? Don't you know I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Yeah, I heard it through the grapevine, and I'm just about to lose my mind. Honey, honey, heard it through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be my baby. Yeah, to the outro, I know that you're letting me go. Yeah, 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 I heard it through the grapevine. Ooh, and on A minor. Nicely done. Thanks so much for practicing along with me. Come on back anytime. As I always like to say, though, you know, we've got these are difficult patterns, but they are still patterns, and they're still somewhat contained. So as best you can, once you've wrapped your head around the patterns, see what happens when you practice without the video or without a song chart, right? See how that goes so you can really internalize those patterns and, as I like to say, learn that song from the inside out. But if any questions arise, you know I'll be here. Come on back and practice with me anytime. Enjoy. One more quick thing. If this video was helpful to you, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.